a bridal veil with white jewelry.
अरे एम्बियंस क्या बात कर अभी उसका हाथ में माइक नहीं है हाँ ओके
I decided to show it on it's actually not Indian. A lot of people are wearing things that are either very Indian or very Western. The whole purpose of the show is to show fusion. That's why with the musician. So this will be an anarchic model. This is looking down. It has looking so sorry. It has shading. It is always traditional Indian elements, but done in a modern way. I've done with canes and beads and flowers. I've just so I think it's fun to see this girl who's beautiful, she's wearing a wedding, she's wearing a black tie, and I think that's what
there is. Things can't be over ethnic or over Western, although she does great in both. That's the look I did for her.
Sonam, lots of glitter tonight. Lots of glitter.
Yeah, on my lips as well. Yeah, I think it's nice to shine.
Once in a shine inside and outside.
It's nice to shine once in a while. I don't do shows as often, and when I do once in a while, it's amazing.
स्टाइल आपकी सोच से आगे इसके ऊपर कुछ आप बताना चाहेंगे? दैट्स प्रोबेबली द टैगलाइन, द मोटो फॉर द इवनिंग.
No, more than you think. It's more than you think कि आप सोचने से ज़्यादा जो आपको दिखाई देता है, never judge a book by its cover. जो अंदर है वो और ज़्यादा है. मतलब there's a little more gravitas and depth to things besides what you see from the outside.
I agree, and I think in Sonam's case also, I always tease her. I said you were to the manner born. So she just has grown up with beautiful things. So there's what you see on the top, what she wears, and a natural style she exudes even when she's in black tights. That's what I always tell her.
Thank you.
सोनम, आपकी इंडस्ट्री के एक एक्ट्रेस है, उन्हें धमकियां दी जा रही हैं आज.
हाँ जी.
तरुण, Blenders Pride, how much have been the association with them?
Well, I did their first ever tour. I did it for many years. And now we've come back to the Blenders Pride Fashion Tour. And it's evolved now from just being a multi-designer thing into being a much more complex fusion of India modern, because even India is looking, and it's a youth culture, to redefine themselves. And it is more than you think, because we're a fusion of so many things. And that's what the show was all about.
So,
no, I think it's important. First of all, I've decided to just pick and choose what I do. So the last time I walked was in Paris Fashion Week, and after that I walked in. Thank you. Yeah, and I've decided to only do things that are special. And walking for Tarun today was amazing because of the way Blender Store has done everything. Fashion Tour has done everything. Blender's Pride Fashion Tour. I just feel it's one show in one city with one amazing designer, with amazing music, and very well put together. So it's important to do special things once in a while and not be part of everything. So with that confidence that it's such an amazing platform, I think everything just works out, and everybody's so nice backstage. And I love meeting all the models again, and I love meeting everybody. I feel like this is also my industry, and I love working with them.
Well, it is. In a way, it is, because Sonam is probably the fashion icon in the country. So it's logical that she's connected with fashion, even though she's not a model. But that when she comes out, because what she wears, let me tell you, or what she styles herself as, has a lot of gravitas.
Sonam,
I'm not making that up.
You already have a brand with of yours. Yeah. How you plan to promote it and take it further now?
So, I mean, Reason is not a celebrity brand. It's not an endorsement. My sister and I own it. It's a high street brand. We always felt that a lot of the high street brands and a lot of fashion designers use Indian karigars and Indian garments and Indian factories to sell their brands abroad. And it's a lot of export that happens. We said, why don't we create a brand that is affordable and fashionable, and that contemporary, that can get to young people, so everybody can be fashionable. You know, whether it's Zara from Spain or H&M from Sweden, Uniqlo from Japan or anything. I think it's important to have our own homegrown Indian high street brand.
Festive season is here. Christmas and last है New Year पे ख़त्म करते हैं. Christmas and New Year's. Any suggestions, advice to the people?
All glittery stuff. All of Tarun's glittery stuff. Love it.
Oh, it goes with the tree, no? All the stars and all the glitter.
It's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wishes for the New Year. Wishes.
Very happy New Year and a very happy New Year and a very Merry Christmas to everybody. Lots of love. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.